Hi everybody, it's Tim at enginefactory.com here. I just built this beautiful 383 Chevy Stroker 475 horsepower package for our customer's 1970 Camaro. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build here. Again, this is the 383 Chevy Stroker, 4-bolt main block, 1-piece rear main seal. You got the double roller timing chain in there, brand new balancer, comp cams, roller lifter camshaft in there, Edelbrock Performer RPM aluminum heads, American made, the Taylor ignition wires, made in USA, all the wire markers are on there, the correct oil pan for the 70 Camaro. We have the aluminum intake on there with the quick fuel brawler carburetor. It's real nice powder coated 383 Chevy Stroker orange valve covers, the matching Chevrolet air cleaner. Have the MSD coil in there. Distributor's all set in place. This is the proper distributor for the Camaro. Has a small cap distributor, so it has the firewall clearance. It's perfect. We have all the PCV ventilation hose in there, vacuum line fittings, fuel lines are all hooked up, heavy duty Russell fuel line, high flow fuel pump, all the fittings are installed, high torque mini starter, chrome dipstick and tube. So this is the way you get it when you buy from enginefactory.com. You'll get a video of your engine running, live run video, all the readings sent to you of the engine build, photos sent to you, the entire engine build. So beautiful 383 Chevrolet Stroker in the orange package here. When you're ready to buy, give us a call, 1-800-326-6554, or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. Family owned and operated business, been in business over 50 years. So there you have it. Thanks for watching.